Hello, I'm Roger Bennis. I'm over at Blizzard.com on my computer, and on the home page and scrolling down, I downloaded Starcraft Remastered. So I'm going to go to click on that and tell you a little bit about it. It's a real-time strategy game. It's sci-fi oriented. It's got remastered graphics, remastered dialogue and audio, Blizzard Friends and Matchmaking Classic StarCraft gameplay. Yeah, I played StarCraft Original and StarCraft Brood War in the late 90s, and I got through all the campaign missions, the Terran, Zerg, and Protoss missions for both. So take a look. You can take a look at the website. Recently I got through the first 7 missions. I played it over the weekend, and I got through the first 7 Terran missions, and it seems to run pretty smoothly. So I really like the game. I like the music and a lot about it. Some of the features listed here are same legendary gameplay, offline LAN and campaign, connected to the Blizzard app. You've got observer mode. It's got modern OS support. Got cloud saves. It's in 13 languages. It's remastered dialogue and audio. Remastered graphics up to 4K with widescreen support. Enhanced narrative and matchmaking and leaderboards. So yeah, I had a lot of fun playing it in the late 90s and revisiting it now. It's an exciting game, and I really like it, so I thought maybe you'd be interested in it too. StarCraft Remastered on Blizzard.com. I also got the Battle.net app and the Authenticator app, so you need those as well probably if you want to play. Anyway, if you're interested, have fun playing. I certainly enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!